I'm trying to organize a hide and seek tournament, but good players are hard to find. You're welcome.
What you doing, bub? He's watching.
Time to leave.
We're just leaving.
The babies are climbing the tree. Hi. Hi. Look at the babies in the tree. Look at him in the tree.
See ya. We're not gonna bug them. We won't stress you out any longer. Yeah, he's up the tree.
So if you remember from the last video, all right, I'm gonna go see who I can call and get this thing pumped out, hopefully like ASAP, hopefully yesterday. The septic is pumped now and everything's back to working order, which is super awesome. So we have this big stack of wood here from ripping the hemlock off the interior walls in the cathedral area. We stacked it out here and it's been here for a little bit now. And since the price of wood is so high right now and we don't have any of the trim to do our kitchen and living room area, we thought, well, we might as well try using this. So it is shiplap. We're gonna cut the edge off and then we're gonna cut it to be the same size as the trim we started using in the house, which was pine. And this looks really similar to the pine anyway. So we're gonna start in the kitchen and we're just gonna do an experiment today on the main entry door. We're gonna cut it again, like I said, to the same size as the pine, and we're gonna put it on the door and just see how it looks. So I'm excited to give it a try and get some of it framed in. So wish us luck.
Oh, I thought it was your breath. It's dust.
Hey, these sunnies.
Oh, I brought you glasses anyway. Always thinking about you, babe.
We're gonna have to get that puller out, I think.
Yeah, I got
Stuff all through this. Wonder if this is even that length.
it. Hopefully.
Yeah, it is. It is. Yep. How can we do 1.5? Hear all the nails under it?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll do that. You might even be cutting them off though. Are they gonna be in the way to rip it?
Yeah, I think we should get that.
I better
little
grab
thing.
the pulley. This nail puller was sent to us from Dan over on Patreon. Absolutely love it. Love this thing. And these are the boards that we took off inside in the cathedral room. They're the hemlock boards we ripped down and replaced with drywall. So we're just gonna reuse them now because the price of wood is ridiculous. We're gonna reuse them to trim out the kitchen. We're smart, aren't we?
Brilliant.
Flip it.
Brilliant.
Brilliant. Genius, really. It cost us about $4,000 to trim it out, if not. The price of pine.
Yeah.
Golly. Oh, that came right off easy.
See if I can just fit that in with just the lip.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna be pushing it that way.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
$34, that makes sense.
There you go.
Tiny little piece.
Yeah.
Just flings off into nowhere.
Done.
It's got a
Into
nice
the abyss.
giant knot in it, eh? Put that on the inside.
Yeah, right.
Well, let's see. Did you take the other piece in?
I already brought it, yeah.
All right.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah,
I love it. You're a genius.
I had to notch this a few times
Yeah.
because of
Those things in the way.
the hinges.
Looks good. Oops, I almost broke it. Oh, Lord help me.
Where are little notches? There they are.
Oh, where art thou, small tiny notch?
You want to just hold that?
Not really. Looks great.
That fit in? Oh, that's in there, yeah. Half. It cuts it fairly decent.
Cuts it good, yeah.
Pieces of that going, flying.
3.5, 3.5, 3.5.
Not putting
Ah, dang it.
it. I should cut this though and use that for the door.
Well, yeah,
The
because
side.
it's the right length.
The side part.
Yeah.
And then recut the other one.
Yeah. That's what I think.
Yeah. Good thought.
I know. I'm a genius.
Oh, this is too long.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, you would have to trim a little hair off it.
What's up, Gray? Though it needs cut anyway.
Okay. That's
Well, this
good.
one's ready though.
Yeah. Perfect.
It'll-
Okay.
it'll
What's
have
wrong?
to be cut. We'll just do the other one.
Okay.
It is, I know,
How are
right?
you in a dang sweater? T-shirt. It's so cold.
I don't know, it is cold though. I am getting cold. Not really cold, but it's
Chilly.
warm inside, so it's not really worth it.
Breaks it up a little.
It's the wind though, eh? And the no sun, as soon as the sun gets in, it's all right.
I know. Oh, gee.
What did I plug in? The,
Table saw, maybe?
this. Table saw was just plugged in.
Oh, right.
Got no belt on, my pants are falling down.
My pants are falling down.
This stuff like splintering, eh?
Yeah?
This hemlock. Right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Just run it through like this, I guess.
Run it through one time to cut that thing off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sirree, Bob.
All right, so maybe you should mark on this. It goes 3.5 out from there, right? Yeah.
Oh, right.
Can you guys see that pencil? Nope, I got it right here. Forget it. It's literally here.
Literally right there.
We'll get her figured out. Something.
Something like that.
80 3/4 will do it.
Awesome.
Oh, we're gonna have to take a little nick off this too, right?
Oh, right at the door jamb.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that looks good, though.
Hey, this isn't looking too bad.
Yeah, I like it. I'm digging it.
Now, if I can get this here notched without it looking like friggin' trash, okay? That could be a problem.
You can't cover it?
Oh no,
Gonna be in
then,
the way.
huh?
Open the door.
You just need to kind of notch this piece. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Well, no, the door will have no problem. If I could just notch that with like just the tiniest bit, you know? It's not much holding it out. Now I gotta find where I did it. I know there was a terrible blade burn. There it is. You're gonna have to probably hold it though.
Got his little notch. Now he's going to try and chisel it out.
This freaking piece of garbage. Hopefully we hide this. Okay?
Yeah.
It's nice. I guess freaking hemlock splitting pretty bad, eh?
That's why we're testing it.
Well, I mean, yeah, I'm kind of butchering this. This is not a good test here.
Yeah.
Might as well just get the beaver to come up and do that. I think it'll hide it though. It's the metal curves, right? So I'm really just trying to hide it behind that metal curve.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that works. Mm-hmm. And that stuff.
These are splinters.
Splintering good now. I actually don't mind that just up against it.
Yeah, I like it actually.
It kind of looks cool.
Yeah.
It's our house. Hey,
Right.
do what we want. I actually don't mind it.
No. I like the
I'd
look
prefer
of it.
not to wrap that around.
Looking good.
All right. I think our experiment looks all right.
I think so too. I really like it.
I do too.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
It's been quite a difference.
Uh-huh.
So,
Amazing what a little trim will do. I'm
yeah,
excited to have it all done now, seeing how good that looked.
a little bit of messing around because that hemlock is like we had to pick through it quite a bit to get straight pieces. We had cut some that just weren't that great.
Yeah.
And then cutting down the little pieces. It wasn't too bad, the little ones, but the longer it is, the more straight we need our pieces.
Yeah.
So, but we got them, and man,
Yeah. We cut all the lips off because it's shiplap. So we cut the shiplap lip part off first. And then we cut it to the size of the trims.
but I was saying just finding the right
I know.
straight pieces
I know,
and stuff.
right?
Because there's a lot of knots in it. Hemlock tends to split a lot and stuff.
Yeah.
But man,
I love it. Looks
for
good.
not having to pay that amount, like
Yeah.
the price of wood's so crazy right now, it's better to just,
Use what we have.
yeah. So
Looks awesome.
I like the experiment, so we're going to do it on the rest of it. We're going to do it on the rest of it. We should have enough. We'll see on the long parts in the cathedral, but for now, minimum, the boxing in the water lines, build out this window, hemlock it,
Yeah.
and then we got to trim those windows over there, or those doors
There's
there.
a couple doors behind us.
We had taken the pine off,
Yeah.
and now the pine looks very similar
It does.
to the hemlock, so we'll probably just run the vertical pieces up there for that, and then
Then the kitchen's done.
you're basically done the kitchen. Yeah, we
Yeah.
are actually completely, other than we just need a light.
But yes, we'll do.
That's the one thing we don't have yet.
Right.
Is a
We'll have
proper
to
light.
order one of those one day soon.
So other than that, though, we're going to do that.
Yeah.
So,
On to the window next.
yeah. So we're going to do that and get the water lines, the window, and all that kitchen stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. So check back next time and see how it goes. I
Yeah.
guess, right?
All right. Well, see you in the next one.
Later.